Hey, guys! Welcome back to the Macula. Today, we're going to talk about the oldest and toughest living organism still alive in the universe. We are going to explore the fascinating world of these living beings, their history, and their incredible abilities to survive for millions of years. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe the Macula because it will clear your vision to see the world. To start off, let's define what we mean by living organism. A living organism is any entity that has the ability to grow, reproduce, and respond to external stimuli. While there are many types of living organisms, we're going to focus on the ones that have been around for millions of years and have managed to survive in some of the harshest environments in the universe. The first living organism on our list is the tardigrade, also known as the waterbear. Tardigrades are microscopic animals that can survive in extreme conditions, such as high pressure, extreme heat or cold, and even in the vacuum of space. They have been around for over 500 million years and are still thriving today. One of the reasons why tardigrades are so resilient is their ability to enter a state of suspended animation, known as cryptobiosis. In this state, they can survive for years without food or water, and even withstand radiation and extreme temperatures. Another tough living organism is the Cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria are one of the oldest forms of life on Earth, with fossils dating back over 3.5 billion years. They are photosynthetic organisms that can survive in harsh environments such as deserts, hot springs, and even the Arctic and Antarctic regions. One of the reasons why cyanobacteria are so resilient is their ability to create their own food through photosynthesis. They can also enter a dormant state when conditions become too harsh, allowing them to survive for long periods without food or water. Next on our list is the bristlecone pine tree, which is one of the oldest living organisms on Earth. These trees can live for over 5,000 years and have managed to survive in some of the harshest environments on the planet, including high altitudes and extreme cold. One of the reasons why bristlecone pines are so tough is their ability to adapt to their environment. They have developed a thick bark that protects them from the elements and can also grow in nutrient-poor soil. Moving on, we have the horseshoe crab, which is one of the oldest and toughest living organisms in the ocean. Horseshoe crabs have been around for over 450 million years and have survived 5 mass extinctions. One of the reasons why horseshoe crabs are so resilient is their unique immune system. They have a clotting agent in their blood that helps them fight off bacteria and viruses, and they can also regenerate lost limbs. Another tough living organism in the ocean is the giant tube worm. These worms can survive in the harsh conditions found near hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. They can live for over 100 years and have developed a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that allows them to survive without sunlight or oxygen. The next living organism on our list is the naked mole rat. These rodents are found in the deserts of East Africa and can survive in underground tunnels for their entire lives. They have a unique ability to regulate their body temperature, which allows them to survive in extreme heat or cold. One of the reasons why naked mole rats are so tough is their ability to survive without oxygen for extended periods. They can also live for up to 30 years, which is much longer than other rodents of their size. Next up, we have the Antarctic moss, which is one of the oldest and toughest living organisms in Antarctica. These mosses can survive in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius and can survive for over 1,500 years. They are also able to absorb and retain moisture, which allows them to survive in the arid and windy conditions of the continent. One of the reasons why Antarctic mosses are so tough is their ability to adapt to changing conditions. They have evolved to grow slowly, which helps them conserve resources during periods of drought, and they can also regenerate after being damaged by extreme weather events. Next, we have the elephant seal, which is one of the toughest living organisms found in the Arctic and Antarctic regions. These seals can dive to depths of over 1,500 meters and can hold their breath for up to 2 hours. They are also able to survive in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. One of the reasons why elephant seals are so tough is their ability to regulate their metabolism. They are able to slow down their heart rate and reduce their oxygen consumption during dives, which allows them to conserve energy and survive in the extreme conditions of the polar regions. In conclusion, the oldest and toughest living organisms in the universe are remarkable examples of adaptation and resilience. From the Antarctic mosses to the tardigrades, these organisms have developed unique abilities to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth and beyond. Whether it's through the ability to regenerate body parts, conserve energy, or enter a state of suspended animation, these organisms have evolved to withstand extreme conditions that would kill other organisms. It is truly inspiring to see the incredible adaptability and resilience of these organisms, and it gives us hope that life will continue to endure in the face of changing and challenging environments. That's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the Macula. See you in next amazing video.